Hello everyone. Welcome to English Shorthand classes. Legal dictation. Exercise 17. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Of our fishermen was received, the government had immediately taken up the matter with the government of Sri Lanka, both in New Delhi as well as in Colombo. Expressing our deep concern at these incidents, we emphasized that resort to firing or use of force in such situations had no justification. We requested the Sri Lanka government to seriously investigate these incidents and ensure that they do not reoccur. We also emphasized that they should scrupulously adhere to the October 2008 joint statement on fishing arrangements in letter and spirit. To underline the seriousness with which government viewed these developments, Foreign Secretary visited Sri Lanka from January 30 31, 2011 to convey government's strong concern over the killing of our fishermen. She also called on His Excellency President Mahinda Rajapaksa. A joint statement was issued during her visit where both sides agreed that the use of force cannot be justified under any circumstances. The Sri Lanka government reiterated their commitment to ascertaining the facts behind the incidents, though they denied any responsibility in the two incidents of death of our fishermen. Both sides agreed that the October 2008 understanding on fishing arrangements had led to a decrease in incidents and that there was need to discuss further arrangements so as to strengthen the safety and security of the fishermen. It was decided that the next meeting of the joint working group on fishing would be convened at an early date and contacts between the fishermen associations on both sides would be encouraged. I had also taken up these strongly with the Sri Lanka External Affairs Minister Professor G.L. Paris when I met him on 7th February 2011 on the margins of the meeting of the SARC Council of Ministers in Thimphu, Bhutan. I not only conveyed our deep concern at the violence against our fishermen but had also stressed the need to ensure that these incidents do not reoccur. Honorable members would also be aware that in two recent but separate incidents this month, a total of 136 Indian fishermen were surrounded by Sri Lanka fishermen at sea, apprehended and handed over to Sri Lanka police. Our fishermen had strayed into Sri Lanka waters close to Jaffna and Point Pedro. Some of our fishermen were injured in the skirmish at sea. On receiving the news of the arrests, government look up the matter immediately with the Sri Lanka government. I personally spoke to my Sri Lanka counterpart on 17th February and conveyed our deep concern at Sri Lanka nationals taking law into their own hands. I requested for their immediate release. Stop. In response to my request, the government of Sri Lanka released the fishermen on 18th February. Stop.